Change face, she found a new nigga, she changed face. He got on some chicken, he changed face. Just made no mistake when you change face. Yeah. Change face, when you need to go up, you gon' change face. When talk make you stop, you gon' change face. Just know I'm a pro with a change face. Yeah. Change face, everyone does it, we change face. But don't call me fake when I change face. I made no mistake when I change face. Yeah. Change face, everyone does it, we change face. But don't call me fake if I change face. Sometimes you just gotta just change face. Change face, watch how a nigga just change face. I'm moving up to a better place. I typed up my resume double space. In my interview I might just change race. Yo, you might call it selling now. I'm calling it slapping the sale. I'm calling it busting the chop. A nigga used to do it dirty. She was young and she purty. She got herself a new nigga. She clipped a nigga with it. And then they said, how you gon' change face? Remember when we used to go on dates? Remember the blase blah with the blase blah? Just let it go, shorty done change face. She had flexes on the side. It was hurting his pride. Young nigga went and glowed up. He done went and got his dough up. He done went and caught the fresh cut. He done went and caught the new whip. New bitches in the DM. Now you looking like it's all